Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to answer line chart. The question says the line graph gives information about the number of visitors to three London museums between June and September 2013. And in the graph you can see in the horizontal axis the months June, July, August, September. In the vertical axis you can see the measurements, the units in thousands. First, I'm going to paraphrase the question in the introduction part. Here I have written, the line graph illustrates. In the question it says, the line graph gives information, and I have written, the line graph illustrates. You can say the line graph shows, the line graph depicts. The number of people who visited. For that, in the question it says about the number of visitors. Visitors is a noun, visited is a verb, so I have changed the noun into verb. Three London museums. Here I have written the name of the museums, which are the British Museum, the Science Museum, and the Natural History Museum. Between June and September 2013, for that I have written from June to September 2014. Here you have to include the units. The units are measured in thousand. Here it has given in thousand, so I have written thousands. After that, in overview, you have to write the general trends without including dates or numbers. The British Museum and the Science Museum had experienced an increase over the period of time with some fluctuation in between, but in case of Natural History Museum, it had experienced a decline over the period of time. I'm going to include that information in my overview. Here I have written, overall it is clearly noticed Overall, it is clearly noticed that the number of visitors rose for the British Museum and the Science Museum, while the figures for the Natural History Museum declined over the period. After that, for body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, I'm going to divide the information into two sets. For body paragraph 1, I'm going to include the month of June and July, and for the